Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I got my Chic beauty box that I've been waiting for. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you had a good day. And today I have my Chic beauty box. And I think, again, I didn't get the opportunity to choose. I don't know what's really in here. So, but I don't think I did. I chose last month, but I don't think I caught, the 2 months ago, but I didn't catch this because this is an every other month box. And this box is actually, I think, $34.95 for every other month. And so this would be a May and June box. Okay, and you know, I know somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, but I will go ahead and look it up and put it up there, okay? So, before we go any further, affirmation time, affirmation time. Hey, I gotta make up a jingle for that, you know? Yeah. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, pretty. I am not defined by the mistakes of yesterday. Woo! I am not defined by the mistakes of yesterday. That is a strong statement. I say that about half of the cards, but it's true. Anyway, it is. I mean, I'm not defined by the mistakes of yesterday. This is good for me because I'm one of those people that can, when I make a mistake, nobody else can be as hard on me than myself. I'm really hard on myself when I make a mistake. And even though I know I'm human, I'm supposed to make mistakes, and I'm supposed to learn from it and go forward and teach others so they don't make the same mistake, but still, I'm so hard on myself. And I think that comes from environment more than anything else. You know, I was raised in a household where you don't make mistakes and you have to be perfect. And it was really hard growing up that way. And, you know, I see it in myself through my young, youth, and also with my daughter. And it's made it really hard for me, right? And it wasn't until probably in the last 10 years that I realized, it's okay. I can make mistakes. What I did yesterday is not going to define who I am today. And this is exactly what it's saying. And you have to accept the fact that you're going to make mistakes and you correct it. It's never lost unless you don't learn from it, right? And so what does it say in the back? How can I learn from the past and apply it to the future? Are you learning from your mistakes? And what will I do if I make a mistake today, and how will I react? My knee-jerk reaction is to say, oh my God, I made a mistake. Are you kidding me? How did I do that? And this is exactly what I say to myself every time still. And I have to really, take a step back and say, wait a minute. There's rarely a mistake that I can make that cannot be fixed. So let's regroup. Let's see, what did I do wrong here? And then go back and really think about what the interaction or what the issue was as far as how I made the mistake. And there are times, I say something that may hurt somebody's feelings unknowingly, unexpectedly, until I see the look on their face. And I'm thinking, okay, did I say something wrong? And I'm not realizing it. And when I think about it, I might say to myself, yeah, I was a little hard on that person. But you know how I fix it? I apologize. And I say to them, hey, you remember, what I said there? That was bad on me. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I could have said that a different way. And so really think about your mistakes and don't walk away from it and not make amends, especially if you hurt somebody else. Okay? So remember that. And this is how I do it. How will I react? I'm going to react by really noodling on the issue. And then I'm going to go back and fix it. How do I fix it? Not just admit to myself that I made a mistake, but you fix it by saying, I'm sorry. Okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. And believe me, that person will end up being your best friend. It's happened to me. Okay? So, alrighty, that's that. Icky dicky. Let me stick that on the bottom so we don't repeat it anytime soon. And now, I have my Chic beauty box. I love this box. I usually get really, really good products in here. And they're full-size products. So, yeah. Let me just get it opened. Okay, and I really don't remember what it, and I haven't seen, not a whole lot of people open this, I don't think, because I haven't seen anything. Otherwise, it might have tempted me to look at it. So yeah, it is a tiny box, but it usually has good stuff in there. Okay, here it is at chicbeauty.box. Hey, hashtag chicbabe, exclamation. I'm gonna have to go ahead and put that on there. So okay, you open it up. Here it is, Chic Beauty Box, and it's always the same box. Okay, and then here's a card in here, and I'm not gonna look what's in here. And what you get is a little card, which is pretty. And I do sometimes, if it's pretty enough, I save it and put it like around my mirrors. I have a couple of them. And so it says May, June. Oh, that's correct. May, June box. I'm so glad I got that right. Ready. And the prices are on the back, but this is a variation. This is everything that was available. And then you get whatever they send you. And you get to choose, but I don't think I was able to choose because I don't think I caught the choosing thing. So let's see. But it doesn't look like there's a whole lot in here, but okay. Okay, the first thing I see, for sure I wouldn't have chosen this. It's by Revlon. It's photo ready, prep set refresh mist. This is a setting spray, it looks like. Yep. And it's by Revlon. Okay. Yeah, it's for prep, and you know what? I'm not going to open it because I have like 6 bottles of prep, fix and prep. I mean, I have tons of them, and I have Charlotte Tilbury, MAC, everything else. Yeah, so I'm not going to open it, but it looks like a setting spray, and it doesn't say anything about it. It just gives you the price. So let's see, how much is this? Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Mist is $8.99 retail. $8.99. Okay, the next thing in my box is by Tarte, and it is Rainforest of the Sea. Oh, I like that line. Rainforest of the Sea. And this looks like a lipstick. It is, and it is in the shade of Pink Lemonade. There we go. Pink Lemonade. You know what? I like their I like this series actually. Let me take a look. And I love, ooh, this is heavy. That's like heavy duty. Yeah, ooh, look at the aesthetics on this thing. It's pretty. It's like the ocean. Huh. Okay. Okay, and oh, look at this color. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear this color. That's very pale. Maybe if I line my lips with a darker shade. Yeah, we'll see. You know what? I'll think about it, and if I think by the time the video is over that I don't want to keep it, then I'll go ahead and hand it off in a future giveaway. I can't say next because it might not be in the next one. Okay, okay. Next thing here, what is that? Oh, the lipstick. I forgot to tell you how much it is. The lipstick is, oh, okay. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick, and it's $21. $21. And these are all actually full size, like I said. This may not be, this may be travel unless they come bigger. I don't know. So the next one I have, I don't know what it is. Oh, I can see, Nars. Nars, you see it? Nars. Okay, so this is Nars. And there's a couple of things in here. So it's red. So does that mean it's, no, it can't be a lipstick this big. Duh. Lipstick. No, what is it? Oh, is it a brush? Ooh, it's a brush. I like NARS brushes. I really do. Because I have the miniature ones. Here is one. Oh, they're so soft. They're so nice. Yes, NARS brushes. Welcome anytime. So, let me see. Where is it? It says NARS Ita Mia Kabuki brush. $55 for a brush? Yeah, $55. You know, I'm not sure. I think these are synthetic. Yeah, I would imagine they are. $55. Something like this would be a lot more expensive. And of course, I can't get into it. I don't know why. It's still like a... Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna break this side, but I don't want to ruin the other side. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is such nice brush. And I love the grips of it. Very nice. Yep. Mostly welcome here. Yep. Okay, so this is a $55 brush. Interesting. You know what? It's probably really worth it. And next, I think I only have a couple more things. And here's one here. It's by Almay. And it is a eyeshadow quad. And it's $6.99. Comes in this little cute thing here. And they come in different colors. They just choose the colors for you. Oh, and I like these colors. And it's a quad, but it's not separated. It's like you see, like in there. Yeah. You know what, guys? I'm not going to open it. It is sealed. It is sealed with that little tapey thingy. And I'm probably not going to keep this because I do have shades like this and almost all my palettes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for a future giveaway. And I will actually put it back into this little sleeve here. Yeah. And then the last thing in my box, really, that's all there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. The last thing in my box is by Kat Von D, and it is Kat Von D's blush. It's a dual blush, and let's see, it's called a two-tone blush, and it retails for $25. And I like Kat Von D stuff. I don't have any blushes by her, though, and like I said, these are full size, and they're $25 for this one. And this is actually my shade, and I don't mind it. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Look at this. Yep. This is very nice. I like that light, especially when I'm doing the no makeup day, and I do that a lot. And so this would be good. This would be very nice. What is it called? It's called Mickey and Mallory. Mickey and Mallory. Okay. Very interesting. Yep, there it is. Again. And Kat Von D. No mirror, but that's okay. I'm good with it. So, yeah, I think that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. Wow, that seemed like not a whole lot this month. Yeah, usually I'm getting big palettes of Nars stuff. And, yeah, but I did get a kabuki brush, which I'm going to like this. I like this. And so I got the kabuki brush by Nars. I got the Tarte lipstick. Revlon spray, finishing spray. Almay Quad, which is actually a very nice shade. Somebody will like this. And this is easy. Just take one along and my Kat Von D blush. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to see if I can get the value up there for you. So it'll be up there, okay? All right, my beautiful wildflowers. Thank you so much for spending your day with me. And I'm going to keep this as short as possible. So I'm going to say, no, I'm going to say, have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But regardless, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.